Zucchini Lasagna. Start by slicing medium zucchinis into 1 4-inch thick slices. Next, brown lean ground beef along with chopped onions in a skillet. Add tomatoes, tomato paste, minced garlic, dried oregano, dried basil, dried thyme, water, and pepper. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer uncovered until reduced. While that simmers in a small bowl, beat an egg slightly, then add low-fat cottage cheese or low-fat or fat-free ricotta, half of the shredded mozzarella cheese, and flour. In a baking or roasting pan, layer the meat mixture, followed by zucchini slices, and all of the cottage cheese mixture. Repeat the layers with the remaining meat and zucchini. Bake the lasagna uncovered, then sprinkle the remaining cheese on top and bake for an additional time. Let the lasagna stand before serving. Enjoy this healthier twist on a classic dish. Don't forget to follow our page and visit our website to sign up for our weekly recipe roundup.